What is up, guys? Done at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Google Photos to your OneDrive. So first, you need to head over to your Google Photos website by just simply typing photos.google.com, and then you need to log in with your account credentials. And after that, you need to select the image that you want to transfer. And after selecting the image on the right side, you will see three dots. Simply click on this and then click on download. And after that, when the image is downloading, it will just simply download and then it will ask you to save it somewhere. So just save it here, let's say in the download section. And after saving, you need to head back to your OneDrive. And after opening your OneDrive here on the left side, you need to click on My Files. And after clicking on My Files here, you will see the button to create and upload. But if you can't see it, on the top you will see the button of photos. Simply click on that, and then here you will see the plus icon to upload the photos. Simply click on this and then click on upload. And after clicking on upload, you need to click on photos and videos, and from there you can just simply upload the photos that you have downloaded. As you can see, I just downloaded this photo from my Google Pixel. I'll just simply open it, and then it will just start uploading. As my storage is full, it is not uploading it here, but if your storage is empty in OneDrive, this will start uploading the image. So this is how you can just transfer your Google Photos image to your OneDrive. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.